Sharing messages between iPhones sounds easy, but can you AirDrop them like photos or contacts? In this video, we'll reveal whether AirDrop works for messages and show you the best ways to transfer SMS between iPhones safely and easily. Part 1. Can you AirDrop text messages on an iPhone? Can you AirDrop messages between iPhones? No, AirDrop doesn't support SMS. But don't worry, here are the best ways to transfer messages easily. Part 2. How to transfer messages from iPhone to iPhone. 5 best ways. Method 1. AirDrop messages from iPhone to iPhone via iCloud syncing. Step 1. Connect both iPhones to Wi-Fi. Step 2. Go to Settings iCloud on the old iPhone. Step 3. Turn on Messages. Step 4. Repeat on the new iPhone. Method 2. AirDrop messages from iPhone to iPhone by iCloud. Step 1. Back up your old iPhone to iCloud. Connect old iPhone to Wi-Fi. Go to Settings, your name, iCloud Backup. Tap Backup now. Step 2. Restore the iCloud backup to your new iPhone. Turn on your new iPhone and follow the on-screen steps to begin setup. When you reach the Apps and Data screen, choose Restore from iCloud Backup. Sign in with your Apple ID and select the backup you just made. Method 3. AirDrop messages from iPhone to iPhone with iTunes. Step 1. Install the latest iTunes. Step 2. Connect old iPhone iTunes. Select this computer. Backup now. Step 3. Connect new iPhone iTunes. Restore backup. Choose Backup. Restore. Method 4. AirDrop message to new iPhone with settings. Step 1. On both iPhones, go to Settings, Messages, and turn on message. Step 2. Tap Send and Receive and confirm the correct Apple ID, phone number, and email are selected. Method 5. Best alternative way to AirDrop messages from iPhone to iPhone. If you're looking to move text messages from one iPhone to another without using AirDrop, Mobikin Assistant for iOS is a great solution. It lets you transfer messages and other files between iPhones quickly and without hassle. How to use Assistant for iOS to transfer messages to new iPhone. Step 1. Start by downloading and installing Assistant for iOS on your computer. Open the program and connect your old iPhone using a USB cable. Once connected, the software will display all your iPhone data in categories. Step 2. Click Messages to view texts from your old iPhone. Step 3. Select Messages and click Export to save them to your computer. Step 4. After saving your messages to the computer, you can transfer them to your new iPhone 16. To do this, use a tool like eTools or Backup Trans iPhone SMS Transfer, which makes importing messages to your new device simple and hassle-free. Bonus: how to transfer other data from iPhone to iPhone. If you are looking for a faster, all-in-one solution to migrate all your data from one device to another at once, Mobikin Transfer for Mobile is the tool you need. It can help you transfer all your data from your old iPhone to your new iPhone. How to transfer data from iPhone to iPhone using Transfer for Mobile. Step 1. Download and install Mobikin Transfer for Mobile on your computer. Open it and connect your old and new iPhones using a USB data cable. Step 2. Once the devices are detected, make sure your old iPhone is set as the source and your new iPhone is set as the destination. Use the flip button to switch positions if needed. Step 3. Select data types to transfer. Step 4. Click Start Copy to begin transferring. Wait for completion. Thanks for watching.